Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn off multi-factor authentication or MFA here in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Turning off the multi-factor authentication or MFA in Salesforce can be done through the user's settings or by an administrator's depending on the setup of your organization. Matter of fact, this is the part 2 of our tutorial videos on how to turn on the MFA. If you want to know how we can do it, you might want to check on our channel for that. Now, moving along, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see the gear icon, which says Setup. Click on it. Now, once you are on the Setup interface, I want you to hover to the Quick Find. Type in Session Settings. Click that, and you will be forwarded to the MFA if you have that. All right? You see, this is going to be the multi-factor authentication. If you have an option for the uncheck the option to require MFA for the decide profile such as username, delegated authentication, activation, lightning login, passwordless login. For activation, all you have to do is remove the multi-factor authentication. That's one way. Another option is again on the quick find, type in identity verification. If you click that, you would have the option to uncheck the multi-factor authentication or MFA here. For example, these boxes are checked. All you have to do is uncheck all of these options. So you do not require the multi-factor authentication or MFA for all direct UI logins to your Salesforce org. All right. Of course, you have all of these options related to the MFA settings that you can adjust. Now, remember that disabling the MFA reduces the security level of your Salesforce account. So ensure that you have other security measures in place if you choose to turn it off. In case you are having problems turning off your multi-factor authentication or MFA, I highly suggest you go to the upper right corner where you can see the Salesforce help. Click the Get Support. Click the confirm, and all you have to do is click create a case, and one of these support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to turn off your MFA if in case you're encountering any issues or problems. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.